This is how to attach your palette. Please make it so that the paint globs are facing up, and then just make it between the thumb and let the rest of the palette fit over the hand. And then you can adjust it the way you wish, or you can put it the other way if you wish, whichever way you feel that the palette needs to be held for your painter. You can also adjust the brush just by turning the hand and putting it more in front or up or whatever, however you wish your painter to stand.